What's going on, guys? This is Ted with the SCD Raceway. I just want to give a big shout out to each and every one of you who commented on my last video where I've quit drinking and I've quit smoking. Day 14 tomorrow, be 2 straight weeks, and I'm feeling pretty good. Once again, thank you guys for all your support. I'm hanging in there. Anyway, this video is another must-have Mustang. And you're gonna like this Mustang. If you're a Mustang guy, this is definitely a must-have. Anyway, check it out. This car was driven back in the day by independent race car driver Al Costner. It remains active in historic racing, driven by its present owner, Gordon Gimbel of Roseville, California. During the period between 1966 and 1972, the two U.S. auto giants, Ford and General Motors, came head-to-head in a U.S. race series called the Trans Am Series. However, in later years, this rivalry was more accurately expressed under the heading of the Pony Car Wars, the Chevrolet Camaro and the Ford Mustang being the principal adversaries. This, according to Slot Forum. Guys, I got a race coming up. It's going to be the 69 Camaro and this 1970, I believe, Mustang, and it really should be an epic bragging rights style video and race. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video.